This is Coleman's 3-piece aluminium table and bench set. I'm going to show you how to set it up and how to pack it away. Let's get started.
Hit it.
Hey folks, Ben from Snowy's here today with Coleman's 3-piece aluminium table and bench set. We've got 2 benches and a table all packed up here, and I'm going to show you how to set it up and how to pack it away today. Firstly, a few of the details. It weighs about 9.8 kilos, or just under 10 kilos when it's all packed up like this. Measures 102 centimeters by 61 centimeters, and it's about 70 centimeters in depth when it's packed up like this. Now these chairs do clip on the bottom here. There are little clips in here that sort of hold it together. It's probably one of the fiddliest bits about packing it up, but you can actually take those clips off if you like, and you can just pack them separately, which is how I prefer to pack it in my car, because I find I want to pack these kind of stacked up next to it with some other stuff on top of the table. But to get started, the first thing we want to do is lay the table down. Now you can do it standing up, I suppose, if you like. You don't necessarily want to put the table on the dirt, and we just pull these off the top here. So there are these clips here that line up with these bars here, and that sits inside there. Now, as you can see, when this is off, this kind of sticks up and hangs out. So it is a potential to kind of get caught. And if you pack this separately, that's going to get in the way. There's a couple little Phillips head screws in here. You can take them off if you don't want them on there, which would be my preference. So we'll take both of these off and we'll set the table up first. I'll clip this one as well. Now to set it up, these little bins in the middle here slide out and line up with these push buttons here. So we grab the leg, we slide it up, and we make sure that this button locks into place there. This is used to be able to push that down as a pinch-free feature, so you can unlock it after easily. Do the same on the other side. Make sure that that little push button locks into that hole there, and that's the table set up. We can flick it over. And the setup of the chairs is exactly the same. It's just a smaller version of the table. Pull these legs up until the silver button locks into place there. And that hole, make sure it's nice and secure. And on this side, and we do the same with the other bench, and we're all set up, ready to go. And it's as simple as that. We're good to go. There's 3 pieces there. You can use the tables and chairs independently, use the benches around the campfire if you like, then pull them up next to your table for dinner that night. Now pack up, pretty simple too, everything in reverse. Turn these upside down. We go to the red button here. Don't just push this with your finger. Use this red one here. It's designed so that you don't pinch your finger at all. So we push that down and we push the legs from the top here. They slide down flat in places, little notches for that to sit nice and flush against the bottom there. We do that on all the legs on the benches and the table. Now I've got an old version of these tables. When I pack it away, I like to have them packed separately. I just find it fits in my car easy. I can tuck these in places that they won't go into if I've got it all packed together. If you do want them to clip together though, then you can obviously use these clips here. As I mentioned before, take them off if you're not going to use them, because they do hang out, but they are probably the clunkiest thing. It's a great table and chair set, but these clips here are probably the clunkiest element about it. So to put them in place now, we kind of need to line this up this way. So we line the far edge. Actually, I'll just go to your side there so you can see what I'm doing. So if we just line up this edge here with the edge on the table there, it should line up with the clip, and then we just do a firm push on top and it should clip into place. We do that on all 4 locations. And that is the 3-piece table and bench set all packed up. It doesn't come with a bag. You could probably get a bag to put it in. But as I said, my preference is to just pack them separately. Do away with those fiddly little clips on the edges there, because they're just going to get in the way. You can grab these online at snowys.com.au at our lowest prices every day. But if you've got any questions, let us know down in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel. We'll send you all of our latest information, or check out some other videos like this one down here.